forget to click the notification ball.
Hi everyone! For today's video po, I'm with my son, Vince. So we're gonna make most popular sweet treats here in Northern Ireland, which they call it 15s. So why do they call it 15s?
Because you add 15 of each ingredient.
So what are the ingredients for the 15s?
Marshmallows, desiccated coconut, condensed milk, glazed cherries, and digestive.
Digestive, but if you don't have guys digestive, we can use graham crackers. So of course we need mixing bowl and cling film and scissor and what do you call it?
Rolling pin and a Ziploc bag. The first step is to grab 15 digestives and put it in the Ziploc bag and smash it with the rolling pin.
Did you wash your hands? Yes. Of course. So, the important thing is always wash your hands first. Oops, 15. But if you have a food processor, guys, you can use your food processor as well. But you prefer to use the rolling pin to crush it. Open the Ziploc bag and pour it in the bowl. Extra lang po ako dito sa pambida ngayon. Sorry. Ayan. So, ayan. Tinransfer ko na po yung milk sa ano kasi it's okay. Crush na ba yan? Okay, you just mix the condensed milk to the digestive. At least 200 mils. So,
After you pour the condensed milk in the bowl, mix it.
Make sure lang na magko-combine yung yung milk and yung biscuits.
then you can add your marshmallows. It's supposed to be 15 pieces. If you only have the large marshmallow, you can cut it. But since we have a mini marshmallow, I just make it 30 pieces. Just add it now.
Mix the marshmallow with the biscuits.
And then you can add na the cherries. It's 15 pieces of cherries as well, but I cut it into 4. So just mix until the ingredients are well combined and you have a sticky mixture.
So you're gonna open the desiccated coconut and pour it over the clean film.
It's enough. It's too much. Guys, first time namin ginawa to, or nga. Pero I usually order this in coffee shop. Masarap siya. And sila, wala pa silang idea kung ano lasa niya. Pero masarap siya. It's rolling. Okay lang yan. Siya rin naman po kakain yan. So just to make sure lang na lahat merong. So we need to put it in the fridge for about 4 to 6 hours. So later matitikman niyo na kung anong lasa nito.
Eternity later.
So guys, it's been 5 hours, so it's time to taste it. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah, he's excited. So wala siyang idea kung anong lasa nito. Ito siya. Slice. Cherries. So, masarap siya sa coffee, guys, or sa tea. For you to taste it. Ayun na siya, guys. 15s. Tell me. Hey, taste it.
That's pretty good.
Really? Is it sweet or is it moist, dry, or
It's pretty sweet.
is that sweet?
It's pretty sweet.
It's pretty sweet and it's moist as well.
Yeah.
Yung lasa niya, same nung lasa nung na-order ko dun sa isang coffee shop. Moist. Pareho siya. So, feeling ko nagawa ko siya ng tama. Medyo messy lang yung pagkaka-ano namin. Pero masarap. Thumbs up na! Yes! Sana guys, itry nyo siya. Tapos, comment kayo. Thank you for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.